Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this video we are going to learn how to fix Shopee account banned. So if you are banned from Shopee for whatever reason or just randomly and you cannot log in, so what you can do is download the app and then click on the icon here. So even if you are not logged in, you will be able to go here and you will be able to see all of these options. So it doesn't matter if you are logged in or not. So even if I log out, I can still see it. So you have to go to chat with Shopee, and once you do that, click on change questions. Okay, tell them that your account has been banned. Just type here account banned. So once you type that, you will be able to have a form that you can complete. So they will give you a form which I will show you here. So you have to fill out that form. You have to give your ID. So as you can see, you can either go through this way, just tell them what type of user are you, tell your username, upload your file. But there's another form that I'm trying to find here. So once you click on chat with Shopee, you will be able to see an option called how to appeal if my account being limited. So once you type that, you can see there's a clear option saying you can file an appeal to reactivate your account by submitting an account activation request form. So this is the best way. You have to just click on it, put your Shopee username, put your email address, put your phone number, and the most important thing, your photo ID. This is compulsory. The star ones you have to compulsory put it. You can leave the ones that do not have a star on it, and you have to click on the declaration here. So once you click on it, within few days you will be able to receive a message from them, and hopefully the account will be removed, the ban will be removed from your account. So that's how you can do that. So that's it for today guys. Hope you found the video helpful. See you soon. Have a good day.